Welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today we'll be making almond flour cookies. Let's get started. We need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 whole egg, half cup of chocolate chips, 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half cup brown sugar, half cup of peanut butter, a pinch of salt. Ask a grown-up to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, we beat the butter, egg, and sugar. Now add peanut butter, vanilla powder, baking soda, and salt to the mixture. Continue to beat. Now add almond flour gradually while you beat. Make sure the mixture is mixed well. This is my favorite part. Add chocolate chips to the mixture. Make round balls and arrange it on a baking sheet. Lightly flatten the cookies. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes.